Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Here in this video, I'm going to talk about that 45-degree stocks. So a lot of questions about when to take entry, where to take entry. So such a kind of thing you are asking about. So I'm going to explain you on this video. And when I take the trade today, so a lot of trade opportunities which is present today, but today Nifty and Bank Nifty has a very zigzag move. How I did this particular trade on Apollo Tire, Tata Power, and Torrent Power Limited. These are the stocks where I taken for today. This is a screenshot. I'm not going to tell you at the end of the day. So everyone who are asking you when to take a trade, when I'm going to select a stocks, such a kind of things you are asking about, right? So here I did selected the stock is based on that 45-degree stocks. That 45-degree where I'm making, there is a giving you some confirmations about the stock is going bullish, right? So based on that, if the stock is going bullish, I'm going to take a call option because I'm an option trader. So here I'm going to take the options. Here Tata Power. So this for today's video, I take this screenshot at 9:56. So to give you some confirmation, so how when I see at 9:56 and almost 9:46, this is what a 9:45, which I taken this screenshot. At 9:45, I'm taking this screenshot for my today's trade opportunity because I was late today. I come market by 9:30, but I cannot see in the 9:15 itself any stocks. But yesterday, if any stocks which is going 45-degree, if the same stock which is present on this 45-degree today, so that even more powerful stock which we can go for a trade today. But unfortunately I'm not tracked by yesterday's, but even today I seen this is what a 9:45 a.m. I taken this. From this I seen Apollo Tire, Tata Power, Torrent Power. These are the stocks which stays on the top. But I'm seeing the Tata Power where I the price is which is trading around 244, but I was took the position 240 call option, so slightly in the money call option which I've taken for my trade. So what should be my entry point where I taken that entry? Exactly around 9:46 is the time which I'm taking this position. At the time the option price which is trading nearby 12.3 something, sorry, 11.3, 11.4 is the price where that particular option of Tata Power 240 option will it traded on that, right? So let I show you that Tata Power where it is traded. Yeah, it is trading around 11.4 and it's a small profit of 12.8, 4,700 is a good enough profit in intraday where I made it. So let I open that Tata Power options data. So it's about a 240 call option. So let's look at this. I'm taking around, this is what a 15 minutes time frame. I took around a 10:45. So let's see around 10:45 the opening price of that particular stock is around 10.35 and the low is 11.35. At this time I find out this stock were exactly trading 11 rupees and immediately it went up. But I was exited by 12.8. It's a good enough profit where I made somewhere around 5,000, nearby 5,000 rupees. That was giving you such a good profit. But if I'm holding this till end of the day, holding this, it went up to nearby 14.4. It's a good opportunity. But I don't want such a profit while I'm investing 11.4, 3,300 something is the lot size, right? So where I invested 11.4 into 3,375 lot, so 38,000 which I invested. That's it. The stock generated me a a profit of 4,700 is good enough, where I made in a short period of time of just 10-15 minutes. That was giving you some good opportunity to make profit, right? That I did in a real. So only one stock I did, and some other stocks which I'm focusing it for. That one other one is Tata, that one called Apollo Tire. That is also working good. Around 260, 265 call option. Even one of my client who made a profit in Apollo Tire, that's around 9,000. But I didn't do the trade because some other work, right? But it was an opportunity. The same time, one of my friend and who attended my classes, he also took the trade, and he was making the money around 9,000 rupees. Let's look at this. He was taking the position in that stock called Apollo Tire. Even I'm not taken, but if you are taken that, let's look at this Apollo Tire. 267.5 call option. He was taken around 9,450 rupees. He made profit. You got it? So that was an opportunity by using the scanner. So everyone was asking about when to take a entry. Whenever you see that list, here Apollo Tire, Tata Power is the top stocks, and 𝐬𝐨𝐽 Cement also where will be. But at the time where we have taken around 940, just look at these stocks: Torrent Power, Jubilant Food. I take top 2 or even a top 3. So that stock will generate you some good profit, where in intraday in options that was good. That is what the power of that particular stocks means 45-degree angle. So simply whenever whatever the time frame, but if you find the stock which is available on that scanner by yesterday, the same stock which is comes to the scanner by next day, that would be a great opportunity. You can make profit from this. Even you can start with around 930, 925. So time frame, but the stock yesterday it would be a top, and today also it will be continuous. The trend means that stock will be available on the scanner. So once the stock is available on the scanners, you can go for a trade by earlier, that is around 929, or you can wait up to after 930. You can see after 930 you can see the scanner. If any stock which is giving you the opportunity, or if it is stays in the top, you can go for it. Apollo Tire at a 945. Let's go for Apollo Tire is around 265 call option. If you are going to take, there is an opportunity, right? 265 call option at the same time of 1045. It's around 13 rupees. Almost 12 to 13 rupees is the price, and after 12 to 13 rupees it went up to 16.75 maximum. So almost 3 rupees. I think 3,000 lots, more than 9,000 rupees is the opportunity to make profit, right? So the scanner will help you, and you can check that stocks. These are the stocks which we are going to focus for a bullish, right? But I am creating the dashboard to find out the 45-degree for a bearish also. I was checking this stock of 𝐼𝐶ICI. General Insurance is a stock where it is these stocks for a downside. Here, this for a bullish, call buy. These are the stocks bearish, put buy. Simple. So I find out the stock 𝐼𝐶ICI General Insurance, in Bajaj Finserv, even a Federal Bank. I seen that. These are the stocks which is going down 45-degree. These are the stocks which is going top 45. I'm not suggesting you to take all the stocks. You can try 1 or 2 stocks which stays in the top. The 𝐼𝐶ICI General Insurance, I seen the price where it is trading 1,240 in the morning. 30, 1,230. If I'm just opening the chart of 𝐼𝐶ICI General Insurance, let me go to check how it is moving 45-degree down. Let's look at this. I think I was seeing here after this big down, it is around 1230. Even if I take the put option, maybe this movement, sure it will be generating a profit. But if you look this stock, it is from the beginning, it is a 45-degree down. It is a 45-degree down, and the stock which is going up. So based on the market conditions, you can focus the stock which is 45-degree up and 45-degree down. So here it is a 45-degree perfectly down, minus, and the stock which is going up today, so that may be a Apollo Tire, or that another one is Tata Power. So let's look at it. Initially it fast and it is slightly going down, and finally it going to the top. So on 15 minutes, if you have 5-minute chart, let's look at this. Boom, 45. At the end of the day, it moves. And Tata Power, right? So Tata Power, that is also 45 degrees. Keep on going higher and higher. And 15-minute chart, it looks good, right? So here the scanner will help you to find the stocks. You have to decide which kind of trade you are going to do. And Bajaj Finserv also, I have holding a long position, but it was keep on going down. Day market condition, but it finally a 45 degree, where you can see. Even if you see that here around the 17200, then it fall down 200 point. If you have taken a position, we have the chances it may give you some another 200 point. But today the overall is good. But here, let's say Bajaj Tata Consume, that was 845 to today, and then it fallen down to 880. Tata Consume, Consume, that is also going down, right? Consumer product, Tata Consume. Let's look at this. Started positive, but it did not sustain, and it keep on moving down, and finally a 45 degree. Most of the stocks were forms a low in the initial and recovered back and again fallen down. It looks like today's Nifty movement. Nifty also started like this, and Bank Nifty is exactly today I find out on a trade opportunity, but I was missed out in Bank Nifty. It's a great opportunity because this is what a daily doji, right? So it is a daily doji where we have made, and yesterday it broken and it was a positive close. But today market opened a gap higher and then it started falling down. But I was marked the level after 1.5 hours. It was exactly making the low of 39,590. So here I missed out an opportunity. It is a support level. Previously the entry point. Again the movement is coming down, and the same top level of doji it taken a support and back, but finally it fallen down that support. But this movement, so where there is a right opportunity at the lowest level, I missed out where I am seeing that because I was thought it may go down. But there is an opportunity in the market is always present, either a buy side or a sell side. But I don't decide the trend earlier. So that I decided on the trend earlier in that Bank Nifty, it may go down, but due to that I missed out this opportunity. But this was working well and good. Those who are missed the doji opportunity by yesterday, today that was a giving you opportunity, and it moves some 300 400 point from that low, and there is a good opportunity we can buy at the lowest level. So use this 45 degrees dashboard instead of checking the scanner. So I was creating a dashboard. So, and also you are asking about what is the recovery, lowest highest to bottom recovery. So here any stock which is from the bottom to recover very fast, so Apollo Tire will be there, Crompton, Shriram Transport, Ambuja Cement, even we can compare with that, and this both will help us, right? But it is a different one. So here today Apollo Tire is recovered from the bottom, day low is around 5%, but Apollo Tire's overall percentage today is 7%. How does become possible? From the day low it was 258 to 72, 5% from the day low. Impossible. Yeah, this is from opening, this is from day low, this is from day low. So let me go for Apollo Tire. Apollo Tires, maybe it open gap down, gap up. Yeah, from this opening at this point, it is from previous close it is showing a 7%. From this low it is around 5%. Correct. The scanners which works. So here the stocks which we are going to focus for a downside, and there here 45 degree bullish and bearish, both we are created. Maybe the good opportunity we can present, but the time frame you can decide at what time you want to trade on that. At the time, what are the stocks which is available on the list? Just go to compare with some other you indicators or whatever you use. But I am not using any indicator, but simply following these stocks. There is a two stocks which is giving me opportunity today. There is a profit of 10,000. It's good enough. Even Ambuja Cement also be there, and I don't know how it is performed. Ambuja Cement, because I'm not seen on the chart. But it was the end of the day, right? Let's look at this. After 2 o'clock only it was keep on going higher and higher, but in the morning it may not be in the scanner. So, but you see that scanner which is at the time of 9:45, these are the opportunity. Apollo Tires, Tata Power, Torrent Power, Jubilant Food. These are the opportunities, and even Ashok Leyland. So these are the opportunities at around the time of 9:45. So only top stocks I focused. That was giving me good profit. I hope you understand the questions you asked me on the comment. So I cleared your all the questions here right now based on this pattern that was helping you make an intraday trade that was works well and good for an intraday trade opportunity. Even this stocks ICICI also I'm seeing it out. Bajaj Finserv, I'm not seeing it, but Federal Bank I was watching that Federal Bank. It was initially very slow, but I missed out on a great opportunity in Federal Bank by yesterday. So that one I'm not traded today because yesterday is a buying opportunity that was giving you some great. But here today it has fallen down and went up and then finally it gone down. Looks like the same as a Bank Nifty chart. So because it is a bank which is moving as per the Bank Nifty move, initially it fallen down and recovered from this bottom, and again it has fallen down. Finally it is a down, almost from the opening it is a 45-degree. That's it. I hope I answered your all the questions you are asking about. So I hope this may be a useful video to you all, those who are watching this. And thanks for being with me, and keep supporting my channel and subscribe the channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends if you liked it. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box below so I can provide you your doubts and I will clear it on my next video. Thank you for watching this video and thank you very much. Thanks for your time to watch this video. Thank you so much.